Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Welcome, Aquarius, to your July reading. It's right off the bat. 7 is a lucky number. Numerologically, July is 7. And you have Soulmate card. We just had this card come up for Capricorn. And now you have it coming up too. I'm going to take it because I shuffled the card before taking the video and shuffled again. So interesting. Soulmate card coming up. You also have romance. You can't make this up. This didn't come up for the previous sign. So you definitely have soulmate energy. You have romance energy. And you have your guardian angel card. So you will be getting signs from your guardian angel this month. Remember to take those signs. And let's pick 3 more cards for you from the Angel Answers pack. We're going to be doing 2 packs this month. Okay. Some cards fly forward. Let's shuffle again, and we're going to go ahead with take action. Aquarius, this month you start off right off the bat, the month of July. You need to take some action towards your goals. Make sure to do that. Make sure to set your plans in motion. You can't make this up. You got the romance card coming up, second card in this pack, and you've had the same card come up in second place in the first pack. Romance, and you have the soulmate energy card. So great energy for this month of July. Aquarius, you have lots of love energy. And let's see, what's your last card? Oh, improving health. That's a good card to have. I think we had one other sign at the beginning. Improving health is always wonderful to have because you have been working hard, Aquarius, and it's important to remember to also take time out when you need to improve, to focus on your health. But I feel and I see that you have been. So you will be seeing the benefits or the effects of maybe you running more, walking more, taking a time out to have self-care, massage, or even eating better, eating right. But this month is all about romance and soulmate energy for you, Aquarius. So take some time out. Aquarius is normally air sign, so a mental sign, a sign that thinks a lot. Taking time out for your love life, for your own love energy, romance twice, and soulmate energy. Definitely this month is for you, a month of love included in your manifestation. So do tell us what your plans are for romance or for any other manifestations you have. And remember to follow the signs of your guardian angel, who will be leaving signs for you, that signs that where you need to take action on your goals at the beginning of the month to help you achieve them throughout the month. And the parallel love energy is going to, of romance or soulmate energy, is going to help you achieve those. Spend time with your soulmate, whether it's a current one or you will be attracting a new one this month. And also remember to focus on improving your health. But again, your message was that you have already been focusing on this, and now you're seeing the outcome. Where I think the other sign, when we picked it up, I saw that they needed to improve it. For you, I see that you are enjoying the benefits of the improved health this month. So Aquarius, thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful month of July. Stay tuned for the outdoors message. You're going to love it. It's beautiful, and we will see you next time. Take care. Hi guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies, actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie, actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think the energy, whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port, actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help it to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create in your dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth, Remember to be and stay grounded. And just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings. And I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky. And remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.